Hey y'all, it's Yvette and I have the Cat Lady Box. Okay, I don't know if I'm keeping up with how I always did it before, but totally ready to open this box. I have two Cat Lady boxes, so I think I might even just open them both on the same video because the other one is sitting over there. I probably should have put it a little bit closer, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. And JB is sitting here. Well, okay, sitting is the wrong word. He's laying down, stretched out, ready for the Cat Lady box. I don't think he realizes that we're about to open this box yet. Okay, so let me scooch over my soda. And let me just grab the other box so that I don't have to do it in a second. All right, here we go. I know, are you ready? Oh, I just almost took my knee off. Okay, so this one and then the new one we've received recently. So let's get this one open. And okay, he's clawing me. Oh my goodness gracious. Jelly bean. Yep, I'm just gonna hold it on my lap because you're gonna not let me have nothing. Here's the artwork. And this box is from July. This is the July box. And so super cute. The Cat Lady artist for July is Amy Beth Payne. Amy Beth G. Payne, Supa at supa.com, and that's S-U-P-A-H, is a cat-centric painter living and working in Metro Detroit. She publishes a highly professional business cat calendar every year and currently runs her own kitty portrait-themed retail space in Ferndale, Michigan, inside the Rust Belt Market. Supamarket.com on Instagram. Oh wait, Supamarket.com. Y'all, how cute. SUPAHMARKET.com. That must be her website. And then on Insta, she's at @supa_. Okay, so let's find out what's gonna come out of here first. And he left because I'm not letting him sit in the box. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna open their stuff up first. How can I never seem to get the right setup. Maybe my new setup is gonna be better. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's a little like bow. See? It's a little bow. Sammy. Where's Sammy? This is gonna be for her. Sammy, this was for you, baby. Okay, I'm taking off the tags. Let's see. Oops. I got the fan going like higher than I normally do just because it's warm, obviously. I think it's warm everywhere. There he goes again. Now he's going to try to lay on it. I love when he does it. It's just I can't get anything out. And yeah. Well, as long as it entertains y'all. Okay, well, that little piece just fell off. Look, Smudgy. Look, buddy. And now I can throw them all over the house. There's Sammy. Sammy, this one's for you, baby. Look, it's a little bow tie. Like for a little girl. Yeah. Okay, I had to take that out because I have no idea why. There are people who dial the phone number that's in my house, and I don't even know what the phone number is, so I don't know who these people are. Okay. Next toy. Oh my goodness. It's a little kitty mug, and it says, World's Best Cat. I don't know who should get that one. Y'all think JB? Maybe? Y'all should see him. JB, you a little turkey. Yes, you are. Can you give mommy a little kiss? Would you give mommy a kiss? Do y'all make y'all's kids do that? I remember whenever we were little, and anytime people would come over to our house, you know, like you say your grandma came over or something, it was always, give grandma some sugar. Give mama some sugar. JB, you gonna give Mama some sugar? Yeah, give Mama some sugar. Hold on, I'm trying to cut this little tag off. Smudgy, we're gonna let you be the world's best cat. Oh, it's gonna be Sammy because Smudgy stole her little bow tie. Okay, Sammy. There you go. Okay, Jelly Bean, let me have this, buddy. Let me have this box. There's a box in here. Let me have this box. You can't hog everything. Oh goodness, look, it's a ceramic cat coin bank. Okay, very cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so many moons ago we had a ginger cat. And so I'm really, this is a tiger ginger cat, really, but it's still ginger. And look at his little tail, his little face. He's so happy, like, give me money, give me money. What you think, buddy? Are you gonna put some money in there? Yeah? What you think? Gonna give Mommy some money to put in there? Okay, we'll have to start filling it up with something. That is adorable. I love it. I love it. Okay. He's leaving again. Okay, which is good because now I can get this out. This is, okay, well, I can tell it's got cat ears on it, but I'm not sure what it's for. Like its intended purpose. You can use things for whatever you want, but let's see. Okay, so it's like a little basket, right? You can see little ears. What does it say on the card? Cute woven cat basket. Okay. All natural woven cat basket is the perfect size to organize small things or for a cat to sit in. How do they know that's what he was doing? Okay, so they were. Well, Jelly Bean was just sitting in this. JB, you want to sit in this little basket? I'm going to put it down. I don't know that anybody else would be able to sit in that. I don't know that he was really sitting in it. Okay, and last but not least, our t-shirt. And it says, feline paralysis. A noun. 1, the condition in which a person is unable to move due to the presence of a cat on their lap. Here it is. And I love the color. It's a lovely purple color. You see that? That's so cute. Okay. Now we have one more box to open. Yay! So let me close this up. Oh my goodness. Okay. We're done with that one, buddy. Mommy's gonna open to number 2. Now this one we just received, so this must be the August box. Let's get it open. Oops, almost. There we go. Okay. Well, I think I got it. Apparently I had not got it all the way. Oh, I'm loving the artwork. Here's the artwork. How cute is that? Yes, this is the August 2022 box. Kitten Around is the theme. The featured cat lady artist is Ashley Idell. It says Ashley Idell is a freelance illustrator and educator residing in Colorado. She is a full-time secondary and post-secondary visual art teacher. On the side, Ashley runs a custom portrait / comic business and is a children's book illustrator. You can find more of her work at www.ashleyidell.com or on her Instagram at Ashley_Idell. Perfect. And she's in Colorado. Yay. Okay. Let's see what's in here. I don't know. Oh, Jellybean keeps moving further and further away from me now. What he's doing. Okay. This is on top. What in the world? Okay. It's obviously little spray bottles. What does this say? Cat travel spray bottles. These kitten-sized spray bottles are perfect for travel or keeping in your purse every day. Okay. They're cute. They're cute. I'm not sure it's something that I would really use in that way. But we shall see. We shall see. So where's the, here it is. So there's an orange one and a yellow one, and they're really cute. They got a little kitty face on it and got little ears. And this is like silicone is what it feels like. So plastic and silicone. It's cute. They're cute. I'm just trying to think, like, what would you put in it that you need to spray? Like, I guess it could be, I mean, you could just put cold water in there. Right now, with it being practically 100 degrees every day, no kidding. And that's not even counting the heat index. Cold ice water in this little thing, any water, really, just spray that sucker at yourself. Okay, so what is this? Oh my goodness. I'm sitting there going, what is this? I love trying to figure out like what they're putting on this thing. It's apparently a giant fuzzy paper clip. And it's just like a picture of a paper clip, really, because, you know, you wouldn't be able to really make that. I mean, that would be not fun to play with, I don't think. Okay, so let's get this one. Got the tags off. There's no little other tag. That is like fuzzy side, paper clip side. Jelly bean, you want a paper clip? You want a paper clip? Yeah. You gonna go get it? You went got it. Okay, so we have a Cat Lady pin set, and each pin has a different saying on it. Okay, so the first one says, hug all the cats. It's meow or never. Can't work, cat on my lap. Cat Lady all the way. Ask me about my cat. Okay, those are adorable. Those are going smack in my purse like ASAP, right? Those are really cute. Oh gosh. Okay. Then we've got, oh my goodness, I love this little kitty cat. It's a travel mug. It says it's a coffee tumbler. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at that adorable little cat. I love that little cat. Look his little tail. Hello. I see you. Oh my goodness. Okay, you know what? I gotta bring this to work now. This is how I'm gonna have my water. No smells or nothing. I'll get it like a nice little wash and then take that to work. So super stoked right now. Okay. Then we have an apple catnip toy. He's a little apple and he has a stem. Let me take this off. Let's see. You know, I think it would be really cute if it had like a little green leaf on it, but that green leaf probably wouldn't last very long, you know? Like the cats would probably rip that right off. Especially Spooky Scout. He would like, who knows what he would do. Where is Spooky Scout? He didn't even come down for dinner. I have no idea. Is he in there? He's probably hidden in the basement by himself. I don't know why. Boy just likes to be by himself for whatever reason. Okay, here goes an apple. And then, last but not least, my t-shirt. Okay, so the one that I have originally, which we got years ago, it says, "Are you kidding me, right, meow?" And my other one is totally wore out by now. So glad to have another one. The original one didn't have a kitten on it. It just said, "Are you kidding me, right, meow?" Oh my goodness. And the color's nice too. It's a nice color. Okay, so you guys, there you go. There's the 2 Cat Lady boxes, July and August of 2022. And I have some more boxes that I'm going to open now that, you know, we have all of the well, just one of the hard parts of moving down. I'm able to kind of catch up on my box opening a little bit, and then hopefully we'll be able to slide into some other stuff too, like sewing stuff. That would be great. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah!